We are talking today about the concept of release on day 63 of 64 days of Ways to Peace, the Michael Chekhov Way. Release, to let go, to real ease. Yeah. Can we release our hurts? Can we release our judgments? Can we let go of wanting to get it right, of wanting to get that correction, apology? Can we release that expectation? Holding on to expectations, holding on to being right, all these things can really trigger us, can anger us, upset us, awaken violence in us as an individual, certainly. But we also have things we hold on as a family, as an organization, as a community, as a country, even a state. Certainly here in Texas, there's a lot of what I call statriotism, a deep, deep love for being from this state or in this state. And so these attachments that we create to things when someone challenges them, when they are in some way threatened, when fear rises again, it is very easy for us to respond. There's my brothers riding on the road. It's very easy to respond to our attachments when they're attacked with a kind of violence and anger, and it really doesn't serve us. So to release, one of the things we could work a lot on releasing is our criticism, especially of ourselves. One of the hardest things that it ever was for me to do as an actor, and it still is, but thank goodness the Michael Chekhov Way really helped me with this, was when I would make a mistake. I would have a difficult time releasing that, forgiving myself in a way. I couldn't release my shame. It was hard for me to release my disappointment in my not being able to accomplish everything I set out to accomplish. And I do believe that it's important that we have goals and that we have connections and relationships. However, attaching certain outcomes and certain standards, etc., that are not productive in generating peace, ones that we are attached strongly to the outcome of, is something we can really reconsider. Consider releasing these attachments, and I think you'll find a greater feeling of peace inside if we can release each other from our criticisms, our judgments, our anxieties. If we can release each other from the fears we project on each other, we could generate a lot more peace in this world. So I release you from all my judgments, and release me from my judgments, and then that real ease comes in. And may you have real ease when you release.